Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Diana. We're gonna get into this makeup look. So if you're interested to see how I achieved it, keep watching. It was so pretty. I'm still obsessed. So we're gonna jump right in. I'm gonna take this chocolate color in my crease. I'm hooded for those who are new here. If you're returning, you already know your girl is hooded. So I always make sure that my crease is mapped out. So I'm just gonna take this color and make sure that it's very prominent in my crease. I'm gonna take this medium brown color right here and we're going to blend it out. You don't want any harsh lines, so I always make sure that I blend my first color with my second color. And now we're going back with that chocolate brown color, just making sure the two are merged. And I'm going to go in with this deeper chocolate color just because I want my crease to be really defined. I felt like the other color wasn't enough, so I'm just going to take that same color that I used to blend out the crease with a fluffy brush and make sure everything looks good. I'm going to go back with that darker brown color and I'm just going to create a halo look. So last look I did a cut crease, so we're getting into these intricate looks. So I just basically put it on the inner and outer corner of my eye just to make sure everything looks good, and then we're going to go back and blend. So once my crease is blended to my liking, I'm going to begin to create a halo. A halo look is actually super simple. I just make sure that the top of the halo is rounded and the edges are more of a square shape. So a circle plus a square equals what I got right here. So basically I'm just going to make sure that everything looks good and they're even. Sometimes that they're not even, but who should be in your face that much to know that your cut crease is not even, they're not at the same height? Like, if somebody's in your face like that, please tell them back up because it's not that serious. So once I get my crease mapped out, I'm gonna go with that second medium dark brown. I use two dark browns, so this is the first one, not the second one, sorry guys. So I'm just gonna make sure that the outer corners are shaded with this soft brown because I feel like if I would have went any lighter, it wouldn't have looked good. So the two browns are super similar, but one is definitely darker, so that's why I went with this medium dark brown color. So we're just going to make sure that the edges are blended. I took a pigment on my hand, I think it's from GRWM. I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's called Silver Dusk or something of that nature, but it's just a white silver pigment and it's super pretty. So I'm just going to slap on my wing. And I kept the wing portion in here because I keep my eyes open. If you're hooded, please keep your eyes open. Do not close your eyes when you're doing a wing because it will not look good. It will literally disappear because we're hooded. So I just made sure that I kept this portion in there so you could see I'm just doing my thing. So now I'm putting on my foundation. This is my Black Opal foundation in Nutmeg, and I believe Yes Honey. I mix so much foundations, 9 times out of 10 it's a different mixture every day, but as long as I get it close to my skin tone, I'm fine with it. So now I'm going to be putting my Studio Fix concealer in NW35 under my eyes. I love creams. My foundation is cream and my concealer is cream. It's just less creasing for me. I don't know, I'm not into like the liquid anymore. I may do a liquid on top of my cream, but liquid just straight out, no, I'm not doing it anymore. I just find like it's just better for my under eye, and it's like I said, it's less creasing. So now I'm going in with NW20. You already know I love a bright under eye. Whatever is left, we're going to chisel under the contour line. So I'm just going to take a powder puff and I'm just going to blend the concealer away, and we're going to begin to contour. I believe I contoured with NW45 from MAC. And I'm just going to apply it and blend at the same time. I love Studio Fix concealers. They're just super creamy and I just love them. I mean, that and Black Opal foundation sticks, that's like what I love. Especially if I want like a flawless finish, and it's winter time, so creams are so much better on the skin. So all my tutorials are going to be creams because I don't know, when it's summertime and it's getting warm, we may go back to like the liquids, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I probably do a little light cream then too. But as you can see, I'm just blending because I'm gonna start to set under my eyes, So we're gonna make sure that there is not a crease in sight. So I'm gonna be taking my Ben 9 neutral set. I've been obsessed with it again. You know how you have makeup and you just have so much makeup that you start to just use one thing over and over? This used to be my go-to powder, and it makes your under eye so smooth. So right now I'm just pushing the powder in to set. I'm not baking as of yet, and you already know I like to chisel. If you're familiar with any of my reels or my makeup tutorials, you know Diana loves a sculpted face. So we're going to sculpt out that face, okay? Now, I've been doing vertical videos, but I'm going to go back to horizontal and vertical. So yeah, so I'm just taking whatever eyeshadow is left on this brush from my crease, yeah, and I'm just going to contour. Hey, so I'm taking this pencil, I think it's from MAC, it's Squid, I think it's a Kajal, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. So I'm going to take that dark brown, the one I use in the crease and the outer, inner and outer, to, you know, do my halo. I'm just going to take that on a, I think this is a Morphe M506 brush, and we're just going to sweep it under the lash line. I love me a smoky under eye. That's just what I do. Of course, I had to add some black. You already know I love black eyeshadow. It just turns everything up another notch. I can't help it. One day I may not add black, but I just have to add it. So we're just gonna simply blend, and here's the hair portion. I'm just gonna wand curl my hair. It's super self-explanatory. I just combed it out, put some heat protectant on it, some Chi heat protectant and some Chi serum, and we're just gonna do the hair. So I'm gonna let you watch the hair and I'll be right back. This is a deep wave wig that I constructed myself. I have 4 bundles of 20-inch. The frontal is a 20 as well, and yeah. The hair was so pretty and I'm still obsessed with it. I have to go back to this style. But I'm taking my mineralized skin finish in dark and I'm just going to knock off that Ben 9 neutral set. I'm going to be taking this Fenty powder in 310. It's the Pro Filter powder. And I'm just going to put it under my eyes. I hate to have my setting powder be the last powder under my eyes. If you are familiar with any of my lives and tutorials, you know you cannot have setting powder under your eyes. You just can't have that be the last powder. I'm sorry. So yeah, we're just going to blend. I'm going to be taking Morphe Phenom and I'm going to set my contour. I didn't bake my contour. Usually I do, but I didn't this time. So yeah, we're just going to take that powder and wherever we put that NW45 from MAC, we're going to set really lightly and just, you know, feather it out. I don't want any harsh lines. So, you know, we're going to go back with the powder and just blend it out. So contour and then we go back with the face powder. That's just how I do it. I just have to make sure that my face is flawless. I'm like, what you see on camera is what you see in person. So I'm going to set the face now. So we're taking Mario Badescu in lavender, not lavender. I always say lavender. It is in green tea. I'm going to be taking this thing from MAC. What is it called? Oh my god, it's been so long. It's the lip primer, child. And then I'm gonna take one size. I hate this spray, but I have it, so I'm gonna use it. I hate this spray. And then I'm going to take my Morphe setting spray right on top, and then we're gonna dry it. I hate that spray. It leaves white specks on my face no matter what I do, but it's okay. So I'm gonna take this chocolate brown liquid lipstick and we're just going to line the lips. I actually really love this lip. I mean, I'm a nude lippy, nude everything kind of girl. So we're taking doses of color. It's in Supernatural and this is the lip I want to do every day. But if I do a makeup look, I cannot do the same lip over and over and over and over and over. So I'm gonna take my eyeshadow brush, the same eyeshadow that I use in my crease to define it. I'm taking whatever is left and I'm gonna literally set my liquid lipstick with eyeshadow. Yeah, it makes it last super long. And yeah, we're just gonna go back with it and blend it out. I actually really love this lip. I'm still obsessed with it. But yeah, eyeshadow to set your liquid lipstick, trust me, thank me later. So now I'm going to take my lashes. I wasn't even going to wear lashes because the look was so pretty without them, but then I remember like, oh wait, where's your lash? So pretty. So make sure that you pinch your lashes together and lift them up. You do not want sagging lashes, period. You see that face? Period. So we're just going to do the lashes on the other side and make sure everything is aligned. The look is pretty much done. So I'm just gonna do like my little final touches, making sure that, you know, my lash is where it's supposed to be, pressing it in. So pretty. But yeah, I think I'm going to just take this butter gloss. I think it's an Eclair. Is it an Eclair? I'm not sure. Sorry y'all. It's a butter gloss. It's any nude gloss will go on top fine. I actually wanted to add my bronzer, the same bronzer I used to set my contour. I wanted to use it as a blush, so that's what I did. I just added it and yeah, feathered it out, you know, and make sure everything looks good. Yeah, you can always use your bronzer as a blush once you set it and then go back and use it as a blush like I did. I'm taking whatever setting powder is on my puff just to make sure that my highlighted areas stand out, because I'm extra like that and I love to have a chiseled face. But this is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Happy New Year's, guys.
You should just know, babe. You should just know. I've been thinking about it, praying for the weekend, making it.